blankheads.
All right, Hank, you've got 7 arms. I don't know, just try something.
Okay, here we go. Here we go!
Keep straight, straight. Left, left. No, 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 no. Right, right, right. Good driving, Hank.
Pay attention to the road!
Oh, I'm sorry. Uh-oh, fork in the road.
Which way?
Ocean, ocean. Hey, wait. You know, I haven't had great experiences with boats, but if
Which way?
both go to the ocean. Right.
Hold on! We're out of time, kid. Where do we go now?
Okay, I'll figure it out. I don't know, but, well, something will come and, seagulls! Hank, follow those birds! The ocean's left, Hank.
Hold on. I'm getting something.
Is everything perfect?
Uh-oh, it's the buzz. Boston!
Okay, we're good. The ocean! It's straight ahead for it!
Now we're talking.
Oh, uh-oh.
What do you mean, uh-oh?
Oh, no, what would I do? What would I do? What would I do? Hank, I'm gonna ask you to do something crazy.
I'm okay with crazy.
All right, Hank.
Ooh, there's no way out. It's over. They're going to fish jail. Ooh, wait.